Hi guys, welcome back to Bad King. This is Wizkid and Ashake in the same studio while they were making their song. They were producing the MMS songs that Ashake removed in his Longer Boy album. Wizkid delivered, and the next clip is where the producers of that song got so mad they lost their cool on hearing the sound of that song. That was unique. Now listen to this.
For my seat to go.
And even after this, the whole internet right now is getting super excited and talking about this particular song of the Longer Boy album by Asake. They have always really love how Wizkid excellently always delivers on any feature he's getting into. The last was Work It Out by Shenzi, and now this. Now God Over Everything is live on Instagram, also giving his own bad or his own take on the music generally. This is incredible to see Wizkid still doing successfully even at this time, even after 13 years of doing music. Subscribe to the channel, guys.
Ṣé Májálá kéré ni òkú ẹ̀ pa yín? Onígbà sickle voice without even shouting. Normal tẹ́tẹ́.
Yeah, every day I know that I am blind. Tonight we go to love me. Yeah, jẹ́ ká jọ̀rọ̀ mi.
Àwọn vocal tó mad.
No face, vibe to
Àwọn vocal tó mad.
this kind things in our life we do.
This kind thing dey crazy.